Today I will talk about my process of how I calculate the lot size for trading FTMO and for putting it in Metatrader 4 or 5. I personally use Metatrader 5, but it's kind of the same thing. So I put everything in on my phone. I trade mostly on my phone. I put the lot sizes and I do calculate the lot size each week at the beginning of the week. So let's say Sunday evening. Also, I do recalculate it if, let's say, I have a big winner of 10%, then after the winner, I do recalculate the lot size because that 10% more in your account does make a big difference in your lot size. You can do it more regularly, you can do it each day. I know traders that do it every single trading day. For me personally, once per week is enough. It takes about 5 minutes. It's a really quick process. It is important to regularly calculate your lot size. As I said, your trading account is changing constantly as you're winning trades, as you're losing trades. You have 10% winners, you have maybe 1% losers. So you definitely do need to regularly recalculate it, because that, let's say you're risking 1% of your account, that 1% can be a lot different after you have, let's say, a 10% winner or maybe even 1% losses in a row. So I use the Baby Pips Forex size calculator online. We're going to take a look at it a bit later. And I do use the most recent prices on TradingView to calculate all of the lot sizes. And then after I calculated everything, I just put it in on my phone. In the notes, I have each of the 6 pairs I trade, and I just put in the lot size that I need to put in Metatrader for each one of those 6 pairs. So let's now switch to the PC and let's take a look at exactly how I do this process. So here we are on the Baby Pips position size calculator website. This is exactly what I use. They have the easiest and simplest website to calculate this sort of stuff. So you just need to scroll under here, under account currency, pick your currency. Let's say you have US dollars. Let's say your account balance is 100,000 for FTMO. So we put in 100 grand. And then your risk percentage, let's say you're risking 1%, that is what I'm risking for the challenge. So I have a $100,000 account with a 1% risk for the challenge. And for stop loss size, I usually use a 12 pip stop. So on most of the pairs, I use a 12 pip stop loss. Then you put in 12 pips and you choose the currency pair you're trading or putting an order in. Let's say it is the euro and the US dollar. So you have loads of currencies here. What you're interested in, let's say you're interested in the euro US dollar, you put in, click calculate, and now you have all of these numbers here. What you're interested in is to check amount at risk. 1% of 100,000 is $1,000. That's good. And then for trading FTMO and for putting in orders Metatrader, you need to look at the standard lots. That is what you're interested in. Not the mini lots, not the micro lots, only the standard lots. So 8.3333, that is what you put in the Metatrader app. So after I have calculated these standard lots, as I said, on a Sunday evening, let's say, I open my phone, I open the notes, I write euro US dollar, 12 pip stop, lot size 8.3333. And now let's say you're interested in a Japanese pair. So let's say you're interested in the euro and the Japanese yen. This is a bit different. You need to put in one more box here because Baby Pips doesn't have that information built in. So you need to check the current US dollar Japanese yen ask price. Now the easiest way I have found to do this is just open your TradingView, go to the US dollar Japanese yen and check the price. The current price is 144.540. So 144.540. Stop loss size, I use also a 12 pip stop. Put in calculate, and these are your standard lots, 12.045. That is what you put in your Metatrader. So yeah, I just go through all of my 6 pairs and I just put all of them in the notes. And that's it. That is a very simple and easy process to calculate the lot size for trading FTMO and for putting your orders into Metatrader 4. So let's now move on to the final segment of the video. And that will be it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Very simple process, very easy, very quick. I found that this is the most efficient way to do it for me. And as I said, I usually do it each Sunday evening. If you want to check out daily trade recaps and forecasts, check out my channel, do subscribe. Also, I have other very interesting videos, so definitely take a look, and I will see you guys in the next video.